You will need to remove the engine covers, red and yellow arrows, and the air intake ducts, green arrows, to perform this work. Please see our article and video on engine cover removal for additional assistance by following the link at the end of this video. If you are draining your coolant, you will need to remove the underbody trays to access the radiator drain plug, red arrow. Again, please see our articles and videos on coolant drain and flush for additional information by following the link at the end of this video. The heater valve is located between the MAF and the left cylinder head below the main wiring harness. Red arrow, unfortunately, not visible in this picture. You will need to remove the MAF, red arrow, and the vacuum line, yellow arrow. So again, please see our articles and video on MAF sensor replacement for additional information by following the link provided at the end of this video. Disconnect the breather hose from the rear of the right cylinder head as indicated by the red arrow. Unclip the two plastic clips on the elbow piece between the MAF and the throttle body, red arrow, and remove the elbow and attached hose. Disconnect the electrical connection by lifting up the gray tab with a small flathead screwdriver and then squeezing the tab back and pulling the electrical connection straight up and off, red arrow. Next, use a flathead screwdriver and pry up the quick release clip on the heater hose, red arrow. Use care when separating the hose from the valve, red arrow. The hose end is plastic and you do not want to damage it or you will end up having to replace the hose as well. Whether you have drained the coolant or not, expect some coolant to come out and be prepared to catch it and dispose of it in accordance with the regulations in your area. There are two T30 bolts that you need to remove, red arrow. The lower bolt on the pump can be a pain to get a T30 on. Make sure you do not drop it when removing, red arrow. Wiggle and pull the valve from the opening in the head, red arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Do not forget to replace or top up your coolant. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.